Can I work while my green card case is pending? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration attorney here in St. Louis, Missouri, and the basic answer to that question is yes. You know, when we file our immigration paperwork for our green card marriage-based cases, we always make sure to file for a couple other things as well. One is a travel document, and what we're talking about today is the EAD, or Employment Authorization Document. A lot of times the green card application process can take many months, and so a lot of people want to know, can I work while that is pending? And the answer is yes. After you file your application, you're going to get fingerprinted, and after you get fingerprinted, they're going to conduct a background investigation. Once the background investigation is completed, then you're going to get an EAD in the mail. It's a little red card, it looks like the green card, and it says Employment Authorization Document on it. It's good while your case is pending, up to a year. And it allows you to work in the United States. The other thing it does is it allows you to get a Social Security card, and it also, in Missouri, allows you to get a driver's license. So it's sort of a temporary form of immigration identification that a lot of people, even if they're not going to work, want to make sure to include in their application. There's no additional filing fee for it, so it really makes a whole lot of sense to file for the EAD. You file it on Form 765, it's one page long, it's very simple, and you definitely want to do it. Like I said, it's a form of authorization to work, and it also allows people to know that you're in the country legally, so it's a nice thing to have. Now lately, the green card cases have been being processed so quickly that a lot of times those will get approved even before the employment authorization document arrives. But in an abundance of caution, you want to make sure that you file for it. The other thing to keep in mind is that if you have your green card interview and you've received your employment authorization document, you definitely want to bring that to the interview. Most likely the officer is going to take that EAD from you, and you'll get your green card in the mail shortly after the case has been approved. So sometimes they'll take it from you, but if they don't take it from you, I just heard from an immigration officer yesterday, you really need to make sure to return that EAD to the immigration office where your interview is, because they keep track of who keeps their EADs and who turns them in. So even if they don't formally ask you for them, they expect you to turn it in. And it's important that you do so because they're trying to cut down on fraud, and you wouldn't want to ever get any kind of trouble for that. So a real easy process, make sure you do it. It's worth having. Even if you're not going to work, it's a great form of temporary immigration identification in case you need it when dealing with your local law enforcement or with the state government. And if you have any questions about the EAD, give us a call, 314-961-8200, or shoot me an email, jim@hackinglawpractice.com, and we'd be happy to help. Thanks.